perfect chicken rolls. Cut the chicken breast in half, horizontally. Pound the chicken fillet with a meat mallet. Put salt in a bowl, sweet paprika, herbe de Provence, black pepper. Mix the spices. Season the chicken fillet with the spice mix. Turn the slices over to the other side. Season the same way. Chop the dill finely and add it to the bowl with butter. Add garlic and mix well. Spread the chicken fillet with butter. Cut the mozzarella into sticks and place on one edge. Roll the chicken fillet tightly with the filling. Grease the baking tray with vegetable oil. Slice peeled potatoes into thin rounds. Put in a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, herbe de Provence, sweet paprika, vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes with the spices. Put a layer of potatoes and the chicken rolls in the tray. Spread the rolls with butter and bake for 30 minutes. Sprinkle the rolls with grated mozzarella and bake for another 10 minutes. These chicken breast rolls cooked on a bed of potatoes are addictive. We recommend preparing a double portion. They will be very much in demand.